Starting on line 1, we have formal declaration for a variable with identifier name C. C is 1. On line 2, there is a formal declaration for variable with identifier name O. O is an object with 2 property. C is 2 and sum is a function. Then moving on line 7, where there is a formal declaration for constant with identifier name result. Result is uninitialized because it waits for evaluation of a function called oSum. Let's do that. Push the function to the call stack. Create execution context. Create local memory for execution context. I'm gonna write this title, local O of sum. And now we're gonna assign arguments 1 and 2 to its parameters. A is 1 and B is 2. Next assignment is implicit assignment to implicit parameter this. This will receive argument based on the call site, and since this is a method call, the argument this will receive is on the left side of the dot, so it is O. But this also means that if we have this a chain of properties, the first, or actually the last property is going to be assigned as a argument to implicit parameter this. At this moment, then we need just to evaluate this statement, and then that's pretty trivial. A plus B plus this C. We are looking up an identifier A in a local memory. That's 1. Also B is also in a local memory. And this C, we can just now say OC. O is not in a local, but we can find it in a global, which has property C is 2. And now we can just return the result to the result, pun not intended. It's a 5. We can delete execution context, pop the function from the call stack, and function, the code is finished.